Okay, let's take a look at homework 6-2, number 12. Same instructions. We're going to start off the same way. Let's try to find a common denominator. And in this case, that might be cosecant of t divided by cosecant of t. And something interesting to notice right away in the numerator is that we have reciprocal functions multiplying each other. So we know that cosecant is equal to 1 over sine, so that we can simplify this to the number 1. So we're going to end up with, oh, don't forget the squared, we're going to end up with 1 plus cotangent squared of t divided by cosecant of t. Now we know that we could convert everything into sines and cosines, but let's take a look at this expression. That looks like a Pythagorean identity. Remember, sine squared t plus cosine squared t equals 1. And if you divide all the way through, let's say, by sine squared t, sine squared t, sine squared t. We're going to get 1 plus, cotangent squared t equals cosecant squared t. So, in place of the 1 plus the cotangent, we will substitute the cosecant squared t. And this works out pretty well. And we end up with cosecant of t. So if you're careful and put this expression into your calculator carefully, and also put this expression into your calculator and graph both of them, you should see that they are identical. All right, we'll post this one.